Hello food lovers, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Trails, the ultimate kitchen where flavors come alive. My name is Chinaza, the celebrity chef, a food enthusiast and a kitchen bestie. Please support my channel by liking and subscribing as I take you on a mouth-watering journey through my today's special recipe. So today I'll be sharing yet another flavorful African delicacy, the Nsala soup or the white soup with pounded yam. So as always, I will tell you, grab your apron and let's perform the cooking magic again. To prepare the Nsala soup, I'm going to spice my protein and steam them. The protein I will be using in this Nsala soup is beef and chicken. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. I use my homemade green marinade for a better flavor in spicing my protein. I blended my habanero pepper because it's frozen, so I had to blend it with a little water. I added like 1.5 cups of water to the meat. This is my pre-cooked chicken and some freshly washed stockfish and dried catfish. Guys, I was not able to get a fresh catfish, so I used the dried one I have in my freezer. I will use little of each of uziza leaf and otaze leaf for this recipe. And so at this point I have to start cooking my yam because I'm going to make use of it in this soup as my thickener. So I'll be adding my Igbo fermented melon seed. Yes, this is a game changer in this soup. For it not to form lumps in my soup, I have to use my meat stock to dissolve it very well before adding it in the soup. And at this point, the yam is done, and I have to blend few chunks of it, which will serve as my thickener in the soup. I added a little hot water to help my blender because my blender is not a strong one, but believe me, it did a great job. Look at the thick paste. It's really nice. So I added an adequate amount to the soup. Yeah, don't let it to be too thick while you're still cooking it, because when it cools down, it's going to be more thick. So I will advise, as you're cooking it, let it be a little light so that as it cools down, it thickens up to normal. It won't be too much. Guys, I used my hand to pound my yam with mortar off camera. Yes, off camera, because at this point I was sweating. So this is the result. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section, and also drop a comment on what recipe you'd like to see next on this channel. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please support my channel. Support us. Thank you. Thank you, food lovers, and see you next time. Bye.